Hi, and welcome to another episode of Bite Size Branding. Today we're going to talk about the silent killer of marketing, sales, and customer service efforts that no one really talks about, and that is bias in surveys. Every company I've ever worked for, going on 20 years now, has had some form of bias in their surveys, and they have not realized it. This is such a pervasive component of surveying that is not talked about, and it can completely destroy and skew your efforts, whether you are creating a survey for a new marketing campaign, looking to collect customer feedback for CX efforts, looking at interacting with prospects and new customers and trying to understand why they chose you. The list goes on and on. There are several things you could consider when creating a survey that will help keep you on the straight and narrow for developing questions that are not biased without having to have an extensive background in psychology or heavily researching cognitive bias. So one of those is avoiding leading questions. So here's a great example from SurveyMonkey. 75% of our customers have rated our website as being responsive. Please rate how responsive you think our website is. What's wrong with this? You're already telling them what percentage of people, and the majority of people, think the website's responsive. It's human nature to go along with what other people are thinking. The solution for a question like this: just remove the first sentence. How responsive do you think our website is? Another example, which I see so often in big and small companies alike, is vague words. How valuable is this product to you on a scale of 1 to 5? The problem with the word value is that it can mean 3 totally different things depending on who is taking the survey. So there is monetary value, which is tied specifically to how much something costs. The individual that's inclined to think money is going to rate it based on how much it's costing. There is such a thing as emotional value. Is there a nostalgic element to it? Are they friends with the people they work with? How does it make them feel? And the last one is useful value. So this is not monetary. Some other words that describe useful value could be less stressed, happier, things like that. So depending on who you're asking, you are going to get a totally different answer if you use the word value. The better option is, if you're trying to understand the monetary value of your service and how it's perceived, is to say something like, how do you feel our product is priced compared to others? Or if we want to talk about useful value, please rate how much more efficient this product has made you. Or please rate on a scale of 1 to 10 if this product has made you more or less stressed. Things like that are much more specific, and there's no room for misinterpretation or error. So really thinking about those 2 things: leading questions, giving unnecessary information that is going to sway the human being who is taking your survey one way or another, and then vague questions where it's not clear what the word means to whom. If you can navigate and keep in mind those 2 key areas, your surveys will be vastly improved. That's all for today. Take it easy.